Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine, and I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. First of all, I want to give my special thanks to our all honorable teachers and judges, because of whom I am student and able, and I am speak my pitch. My name is Masjid. I am a student of English Fantasy. It is a great chance for me to share about Palestine, a cry for justice. Dear audience, today I speak about a land that bleeds silently Palestine. For over 75 years, the Palestine of going up the silent and forever around the own operation and just injustice. Their homes are already destroyed, their rights are already denied, and their voices are already ignored. So what crime did they commit? Only the desire to live there freely on their own lands. Every day we see children growing up under the bombs instead of the books. Mothers mourning also instead their occupation and celebrating. A nation all time struggle and bombs and survive. This is not just about a politics. It's also about just for waiting and survive. Let us not remain on our silence, because silence helps the oppressor and never the oppressed. Let us raise our voice for Palestine, for humanity, for justice. That's all for today. Thank you by listening my speech. If there are any mistakes, please forgive me and pardon me. Assalamu alaikum.